Hi, in the learning video for Module 1, Section 6, we talked about nominal versus effective discount rates, compound discount rates. So we're going to do an example to illustrate this, how we work with those little short examples. So let's look at the example. An account credits interest using a 9% interest rate compounded monthly for the first year and an 8% discount rate compounded quarterly for the second year. So the question is to determine the accumulated value after 2 years of a deposit of $1,000. Okay, so for our solution, in the first year, we see in the first line there that we're given a 9%. We're going to use for the first year. We're going to calculate interest using a 9% interest rate compounded monthly. So that's an I per 12. So I got I per 12 equal 0.09 for the first year. First thing I do with that I per 12 is divide it by 12 to get what's called the monthly effective interest rate. And then I add 1 to that. That gives me the monthly accumulation factor. And I'm using this for the first year. So really what I need is the annual accumulation factor. Well, if I'm going to accumulate for a year, then that's the same as accumulating for a month and then another month and then another month 12 times. So I'll multiply the monthly accumulation factor together 12 times to get the annual accumulation factor. And I see then for the first year, the annual accumulation factor is 1.0075 to the 12. Now let's move on to the second year. In the second line of the problem, you can see that in the second year, I'm going to use an 8% discount rate compounded quarterly. So in the second year, I got a D upper 4 equal 0.08. Again, first thing I'm going to do with that is divide by 4 to get 0.02, and that's going to be called the quarterly effective discount rate. Okay, so now how do I get the quarterly accumulation factor from the quarterly effective discount rate? Well, I take 1 minus the quarterly effective discount rate and then take the reciprocal of that. So it's 1 minus 0.02 to the negative 1, which is 0.98 to the negative 1. Now that's the quarterly accumulation factor. Again, I'm going to use this rate for the year, so what I really need is the annual accumulation factor, and I get that from the quarterly accumulation factor by multiplying the quarterly accumulation factor by itself 4 times. And so I'll get that for the second year, the annual accumulation factor is 0.98 to the minus 4. So finally, we have it. We want to know what's the accumulated value after 2 years. So we take the 1,000 and we accumulate it after 1 year, and we get 1,000 times 1.0075 to the 12th. Then take that amount and accumulate it for the next year by multiplying by the 0.98 to the minus 4, and go through the arithmetic, and I got 1185.87 for my answer there. Okay, so that's how you're going to use. That's just a quick example on how to use nominal interest rates and nominal discount rates. This is kind of a typical type problem. You'll see it on an actuarial exam. They'll throw several different types of rates in on one problem. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.